Alright guys, so we are here at the annual Cars and Copters. We got helicopters, we got hypercars, supercars, pretty cool. Seen these last year. We got dogs everywhere and hypercars. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around, yeah, and then I'll catch these cars leaving. Got the Centenario, the R34, nice. Carbon fiber everywhere. Get like a lot of attention, but super clean R34. Respect. Got a man with a snake. He said he was bringing the whatchamacallit over. Holy shit. Alright guys, check this out. So, this shirt is from and here we have the 2JZ Lambo. Oh yeah, what a bowler. Yeah. Yeah. That kid is just freaking badass. And what can get any better than a dog and a car meet? Yes. A dog and a Lambo.
Trying to figure out what you have for lunch. Yeah, I think so. I just had some chicken. Like, is that grilled chicken?
Alright guys, so this just steal the show. Forget about cars, guys. This is it. And we got another one right here.
This is Nobu.
Cute.
That's Malibu.
Yo, I think that guy looks like a freaking Einstein. Yo, we got all kinds of animals here at the car show. What? We got ducks, we got supercars, dogs, snakes, helicopters, the beach, everything. Those dogs are living the life. Hello. Hello. Black Testarossa, and look at that huge dog over there. Wow, that is humongous, guys. Hello.
He doesn't even try. He's easily over 6 feet tall. Oh, look at that BMW.
And more dogs. modding right now. A Brabus 6x6 and a 4x4. Now that's sick. Look at those suspension. That on red. And let's don't forget the JDMs.
So next year it's F1.
Got the Aventador with the DMC kit, the chrome 458, and look at that dog, nice. You got the baby blue CGT right here, and a twin turbo underground racing STO. Just look at it. The wheels actually works pretty well on the CGT. For GT and the F40 and helicopter, what can get any better than this? Now that's pretty cool. Hummer, the Ford GT. We got all kinds of cars here. Guys, let me know, should I bring my Ferrari F50 here next year?
Alright guys, do $100. Take it right around here. 3. Oh hell yeah, we got Tom Sully busting us with some jams right now.
Sick color on the 765 LT. Very nice. One of my all-time favorite cars right there, the GT3 RS. Okay, and now we got the mega cars, the hypercars, the Apollo IE, the Koenigsegg, the Pagani Huayra BC over there. What do you guys think of this body kit? Fully carbon fiber Mustang. That is sick. Look at the interior. Now this is sick too. A freaking drag racing car. Pretty cool color on the GT3. Nice. The green R8. Tech old school Mercedes. Now this is super badass. That is cool. Wow, look at it. Love it. Got a nice expensive bench right there. license plate. Awesome. Nice. Look at all those wheels. Oh. Huracan Evo, guys. Pretty nice. And let's give some love for these VW bus. Pretty cool. The hippie van. Now that's pretty sick. The 1016s, 720S, supercharged STO. If you guys didn't know, the STO trunk opens up like this. That's pretty cool. Supercharged Viet engineering right there. Love the spec on this 765 LT. White with blue Alcantara interior. Matching blue caliper. Very nice. Love it. It's a pretty nice color on the F12. Alpina XB7.